Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, there will be three things I want to update you guys, so let's stay tuned. The first thing that I want to update you guys will be the Malaysia Crypto live event sponsored by Huobi. This event, I heard that there are many of you are joining the event, so thank you so much for supporting CryptoMY. I will try my best to give you much sharing as possible in the event. One thing I want to take note is the timing. The timing is still the same, 3 to 6 p.m., but the venue is changed. The venue is changed to WorQ, WorQ TTDI. It will be at Damansara, Glo Damansara, Damansara. So I hope you guys take note about the location because this one will able to occupy more people compared to the Subang one. So we are no longer in the Subang, we will be in the Damansara. So I can't wait to see you guys on the 26th of December. Okay, so the second thing will be the Christmas event from Huobi. Okay, I want to share you guys this one very quick. Okay, so this is the poster of the live event, and let's get to the Christmas special gift from Huobi. So in order for you to join them, the event, you can go to the banner, same thing, look for the Prime Earn, Christmas surprise. Just click on it, it will direct you to the Huobi Earn. Okay, why here is because you can see, right, Christmas special gift, earn up to 15x more APY with Prime Earn. So Huobi Earn will be launching Prime Earn as a Christmas gift for you. Prime Earn provides much higher APY on fixed deposit for USDT, BTC, ETH, USDC. We invite you and your friend to deposit and earn more. So this is much more towards staking. You're gonna stake your USDT there, your BTC, your ETH, your USDC to earn APY. Higher APY, you can see the annual percentage yield is 12% all the way to 15%, and the deposit period is 7 days or 14 days. So you can choose between 7 days or 14 days, and you can see right here, it will direct you link to the fixed product instead of the feature and flexible. Then you can see, right, there are plenty of tokens that you can stake in. So one thing you want to take note is to go into this Prime, because this Prime is the Christmas event, and I would suggest you to take either 7 days or 40 days as stated here. So for example, if you have a lot of USDT in your account right now, you can just straight away stick for 7 days or 14 days and get the profit. If you have Ethereum, then you can stick for 7 days or 40 days also, same thing if it goes to USDC and also BTC. So it's up to you guys, but you can see, right, whenever I click 7 days, it will show annual per year is up to 12%, and 14 days will be 15%. So the more longer you stake, the higher APY it goes. So it will be, I would say, Christmas gift from Huobi because it has a very high APY for this event. So if you want to join this event, go ahead. I will put down the link below so you guys can directly click on it. Of course, if you guys don't have an account yet, I will put down the link also so you guys can register straight away. Okay, so the last but not least will be the Bitcoin versus USDT, this price prediction. I have actually mentioned to you guys before in my previous day, I think 2 days ago, I actually talked about Bitcoin. So I actually talked about Bitcoin bullish signal is incoming, must watch. And you can see, right, this area I actually talk about the Bitcoin price prediction. So let's get a little bit here. This is what I can assume the 50,000 area should be around this area. And you can see the moment it go all the way up here, you look at the daily chart. So if Bitcoin, so you can see, right, I actually talk about Bitcoin will surpass 50,000 or will touch 50,000 this week. And right now you can see if on the chart, this is the Bitcoin chart exactly where it touched. You see this price range I actually put. How do I put this is basically you can see this double bottom here. This double bottom. Let me put in yellow color so you can see clearer. So this double bottom. And I actually calculate from here to here. Then I apply to here, then you can see it reached 50,000. So whenever it breaks this descending triangle, the moment it breaks above, you can see it went all the way down again, touching the support area before it go all the way up to 50,000. So whoever does future tradings in Bitcoin versus USDT previously, congrats to you guys, it's already go all the way up to 50,000. So it's very perfect. But right now, what I would think is the Bitcoin will start to cool down a little bit around this area, 50,000 area, before it make another move higher. Because right, the next move will be all the way up here to 53,000 or the 54,000. So this is the crucial, the main resistance level for Bitcoin. So in order for it to like go up further up to 60,000 or maybe higher, making all-time high, it must first close above this 54,000 area or this 53,000. Around this area, this is the big gap for the Bitcoin, major resistance level. So in order for it to go higher, it must first close above this 54,000 at least to go 60,000 or higher and higher. So because of the RSI, you can see the RSI is a bit overbought right now, but doesn't mean Bitcoin doesn't have the momentum to go up higher. I would say it will take time. One thing I would say that it might just cool down a little bit here, just do a consolidation around this area. So once it consolidate until it cool down the RSI, then it will take another big move towards upwards 60,000 or maybe try to close above this 54,000 area. So I'll be very excited to see finally Bitcoin is making some move, and I hope that the most important thing is the weekly chart, because the weekly chart plays the important role in all cryptos and all of tradings, like basically all tradings. So right now, if you can see, right, let me remove this so you can see clearer. So the moment, right, it do, okay, let's say if it able to close above on the weekly chart, you can see this is actually a bullish engulfing pattern. So it's actually a candlestick pattern whereby it shows a reversal pattern. Okay, so if let's say if it able to reverse, then I would say it will have a possibility to go up even higher. You can see right on the weekly chart, the RSI is showing very strong momentum going all the way up from 49 all the way to 50 right now. So it's a very good thing. It's showing that the buyer momentum is quite strong compared to the seller momentum. So we want to keep it that way. And one thing about to take note is this area, this 53,000. Yeah, like I said. So I would hope, right, if it able to close above this 53 or 54,000 by this week, and the weekly candle is closed on or above 54,000, then I would say it will be a very strong bullish sign going all the way higher to 61,000. So something that we can take note lah, but whether or not it able to close above 54,000 this week, then it would be a question mark. I would say it's possible, not to say impossible. Even the RSI is showing a little bit overbought on the 4-hour chart, doesn't mean it doesn't have the momentum to go up 54,000 anyway. But let's stay tuned for more. But I was thinking that it will have it will test before Sunday. That's what I believe. So let's stay tuned for more. So I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.